Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. So another pressure washing job today, a lovely courtyard which you can see here in the background. Going to pressure wash all that, put some chemical down and get the colours popping again. Take a look. So here we are, all this, it's quite green. Very green under there. Get all that done. We're going to move the table as we go. It's quite heavy, so I'll have to just move it a fraction when we start. Bin sheds stay where they are. Log piles stay where it is. Move the wheelie bin. We have to move this heart swing. All this. Quite mossy, slippy. That should come up a treat. So, hope you enjoyed the video. It's the only time I'm going to be sat down swinging in a chair. Yeah, enjoy guys. Bit red cheeks, bit cold. Enjoy the film, movie, clip, whatever. When you get your feet wet, emptying a bucket full of water, I haven't even started yet. So this is my setup today. Leaving the pressure washer in the van, wheelie bin beside it, and I've got a 25 metre pressure pipe which takes me all the way over to the far end. So I always advise before you start anything is get your hose pipes out to the furthest point you need to go and work backwards to see how far you need to go and where to place everything. It just saves you that little bit of time. And then we're going to be starting from here. So there'll be a little bit of real time on the first little section, and then we'll go to time lapse the rest of it. Enjoy the vid. So that's all the flat surface cleaner done. We're going to cut in the edges now, then rinse down just to tidy it up. Then we're going to put some chemical down, but very, very weak. It's not that much black spot on it, so weak, very weak, just to bring it up and finish it off. Okay, so we've got all those weeds out. What we're going to do now is transfer it onto the X-Jet, and we're going to use that on low revs just to gently rinse down, get it all tidied up, and then we'll go from there. So that's a wrap for that one, guys. Nice and done, all nice and clean. No longer a slip hazard. Yeah, take a look. So it's just the colour of the slabs. It's not black. It's just the colour of the slab. And when it dries, it'll be a lot lighter. But it's all come up fantastic. All that green that was under there, gone. As you can see, I've put all the furniture back, apart from the table, left it where it was. All done, all nice and bright and clean, all the green are gone. So yeah, fantastic results again from J&G Cleaner Solutions. All ready for the next customer, which I think is Christmas time. Be nice sat out here with a fire. Nice clean patio. It wasn't too bad project. A bit of drainage issues, all pooling over there, so I had to keep brushing it up. But no, apart from that, it was all good. So everyone, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Just get my subscribers growing. I posted a long time ago. I had 600. I've gone up 9. That was a couple of months ago. I've got up 9 since then. But thank you to all those who subscribe, comment, share again. See you on the next one. Cheers all.